Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this mirror from gold to metallic, then keep watching. So first you want to start off by cleaning the frame of the mirror. The inside is optional, but I just cleaned it because it looked really dirty. But you want to make sure you clean the frame, sand it down if it needs to be sanded, and all of that good stuff. Next, I'm laying down some old newspaper or whatever you can find, and you want to make sure that you cover the entire inside of the mirror. Now I'm just going over it with some tape and I'm making sure that everything is laying down flat, and when I lift the mirror up that it won't move. Next, I'm just tucking in the sides to make sure that there's no tape on the frame, because when you spray the frame and then you go to lift the tape up, you're going to have a spot that's still gold. So I'm just using I started out using the blade and then I found out that my fingertips are better. I was using my fingertips to just tuck in the sides. And right here I'm adding more tape because I needed it. I recommend spray painting outside so that you're not inhaling all of those fumes. Like right here, I spray painted in my garage and I just opened it. You also want to make sure you're not too close to the frame when spraying, because it'll like smear kind of. That makes sense. And as you guys can see, I'm doing one side and I'm going around to the next side just so it has the opportunity to dry a little bit before I put another coat on it. So after you get your desired look, you want to make sure you remove the tape and the paper as soon as possible so that when the paint dries, the paper doesn't get stuck to the frame and then you later remove it. So this is the finished product. After I was done, I did realize that I missed a few spots. So I just went to the store and I bought a silver Sharpie and I just patched it all up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.